Hey there. Sit back, let the fire do its thing. That gentle crackle, the soft pops. It's like nature's lullaby, isn't it? Sleep matters more than we often realize. It's not just rest, it's when your body repairs itself, clears out brain waste, strengthens your immune system, and processes the day's emotions. Good sleep sharpens your focus, steadies your mood, lowers risks for things like heart issues or diabetes, and honestly, makes everything in life feel a bit brighter. Adults need about 7-9 hours most nights. Science backs that solidly. But here's the thing. So many of us struggle. Recent numbers show around 30-40% of adults deal with insomnia symptoms sometime each year, and globally, about 1 in 6 have full-on insomnia disorder. Why now more than, say, 50 years ago? Life's faster. Screens keep our brains buzzing late into the night. Blue light tricks us into staying alert. Constant notifications, endless work emails, social scrolls, they amp up stress. Add in worries about jobs, family, the world, or even those deep fears we carry from the past. And it's no wonder our minds race when the lights go out. Trauma, loss, or just wanting things we can't have right now. Those thoughts love the quiet of bedtime. Medications, late meals, or even fear of tomorrow can pile on too. The good news? You're not alone, and it's not hopeless. Small changes add up, and things like this fireplace sound can help a lot. Listen to that fire. Studies show crackling flames like these actually lower blood pressure and signal deep relaxation, maybe echoing our ancient campfires when fire meant safety and wind-down time. It's a form of natural sound masking. Steady, rhythmic noises cover up sudden distractions, like traffic or thoughts popping up, helping your brain ease into sleep. White noise works similarly, a constant hum, like a fan or gentle rain. Blocks external sounds and quiets that inner chatter. Research finds it shortens the time to fall asleep, especially in noisy places, by creating a blanket of sound that soothes without demanding attention. Pink or brown noise, deeper like ocean waves or low rumbles, often feels even cozier for many. Try it tonight. Play this fire longer or mix in fan sounds, rain, whatever feels right. Combine with simple habits, dim lights an hour before bed, no screens, maybe a warm drink or light read. Keep a steady bedtime, even on weekends. You've got this. One peaceful night at a time, sleep gets better, and so does everything else. Sweet dreams. Let the fire carry you there.